This is Ether1's newest Hardened managed PoE light layer 3 switch, the EX75900. Let's see how this switch benefits your future network expansion or installation. There are 28 ports on the front panel, 24 ports RJ45 plus 4 ports SFP. All of the RJ45 ports offer power over Ethernet, 60 watts per port, with a total power budget of 720 watts. You can see there are 4 SFP uplink ports here. There are 2 upstream bandwidth options, either 1G transmission speed or auto detection of 1G, 10G dual rate speed option. Let's take a look at the back. We can see 2 power inputs here. Digital input and relay output provide real-time alert function. There is also a console port for configuration. This high-density switch was launched to meet the trend of more and more applications requiring PoE devices. We found out the market is changing between these 2 segments recently. Let's take a look at a sample project. We can see the number of cameras in 4 installation sites. In this case, we can see that at least 4 areas require 4 high-density switches and 2 small port count switches. In this project, installation of 6 high-density switches can fully meet the application demand. But what happens if we don't use high-density switches? You would need at least 11 switches to fulfill the application without high-density switches installed. Let's compare 2 solutions. At least 5 more switches will be needed for the second project here, with the number of fiber modules and maintenance costs rising. By using the EX75900, all of these issues can be solved easily. The EX75900 also supports 250-meter PoE long-distance transmission, double the normal transmission distance. All 24 RJ45 ports comply with IEEE 802.3bt and are compatible with 802.3AF and 802.3AT specifications, which optimizes the integration between new and old PoE-powered devices. As a high-density switch that supports massive PoE devices connections, we had to strengthen the PoE protection to ensure consistent operation. 6 kilovolt surge protection on every PoE port prevents damage caused by weather or end-device electrical surges. Built-in digital input is a new characteristic of Ether1 solutions. It allows us to auto-detect events and notify an administrator to prevent damage or harm. Let's summarize the characteristics of the EX75900. 24 gigabit ports comply with IEEE 802.3bt PoE function. 6 kilovolt surge protection support in every PoE port. Total power budget of 720 watts. And 1G, 10G dual-rate uplink SFP ports. Built-in digital input and relay output for real-time maintenance. Please visit our website for more information. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.